Three sound waves of equal amplitudes have frequencies n-1, n, and n+1. They superimpose to give beats. What will be the number of beats produced per second? It is given that three sound waves of equal amplitude have frequencies n-1, n, and n+1. The beat frequency is the difference between two frequencies that interfere. For three frequencies, that is n-1, n, and n+1, frequencies between n-1 and n is given by frequency of beat 1 equals n minus of n-1, that is equal to 1. Frequency of beats between n and n+1 is given by f beat 2 n+1 minus n, which is again 1. And the frequency of beats between n-1 and n+1 is given by f beat 3 equals n+1 minus n-1 equals 2. The number of beats produced per second will be the maximum of these beat frequencies, which is 2. So the correct answer is option B.